Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make a circular text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. And here you can already see the end result of today's video. Okay, but now let's start from the beginning. You have your clip right here, you go over to Effects and add a text plus. Just drag it on top of your clip and adjust it however you like. Then you're going to customize it. For example, I'm going like and subscribe like this. And then what you want to do is go over to layout and change the type from point to circle, just like this. Then you want to adjust the width. Here you can see if you do it all the way down like this, it gets a circle. Of course, you can adjust the size a bit so it fits, maybe just like this. And then you can go back to layout and adjust the position of the text. And now what you want to do is go over with your cursor all the way to the left, open the rotation tab, set a keyframe to the Z axis, and then you can either go to the left so it turns like this, or all the way to the right so it turns like this. I'm going here, then just go with your cursor all the way to the end and keyframe and go a bit back. I don't know, like right here. And now if we let it play, you can see it turns. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make a circular text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.